फादर आग्नेल शाळा पिलारचो वर्सुकी स्पोर्ट्स डे शेनवारा एक जागृत यशस्वी जालो। तातूंत विद्यार्थ्यांचो 100% वांटो आशिल्लो। खेळा आनी शारिरीक फिटनेस वाडोवपा खातीर शाळेच्या वचनबद्धतायेची गवाय दिवपी ही कार्यावळ आशिल्ली। शाळेन आपली खेळगड्यांची प्रतिभा दाखयली आनी इनामां वांटप हे एक भव्य प्रकरण आशिल्ले। हळदोणचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरान लेगीत हे कार्यावळीत हजेरी लायली। विद्यार्थ्यांची आवड आनी समर्पण पुरायपणान ह्या कार्यावळीत दिसताली।
Agnel High School, Pilar, is an English medium school that was founded in 1953, run by the Pilar Fathers Missionary Society of King Francis Xavier. This institution provides education to all, irrespective of caste and creed. The school has given to the nation great personalities such as bishops, missionaries, doctors, sportsmen, managers, teachers, advocates, engineers, social workers, and worthy citizens. We at Father Agnel are much interested in every student and in their future. To prepare them, we emphasize upon 4 pillars. They are academic excellence, discipline, value education, and hard work. To imbibe in our students good character, personality, orient them towards becoming a responsible citizen of a country and of the world. Academic, as we live in a challenging world, one needs to excel in studies. Discipline, as one needs to do everything in time. Value education, anything without values will be useless. And finally, hard work, as it is the key to all success.
Very happy to see that the youth are still participating in sporting events, because I believe one thing, that sports is one activity which should be maintained side by side with education. Because if your body is fit, your mind is fit, and when your mind is fit, you can give a complete good balance response for your life and even to your friends and your neighbors. You think of it, when you don't feel well, you're completely run down, then you don't like even your family members coming close to you or your friends coming close to you. You just want to lie down, you want to relax, you want to be by yourself. That's why if you keep regular sports activity, you keep yourself fit, and that is one of the essences of sports in our day-to-day lives. I remember watching some of the drills which were done here, reminded me of my school days when I was in Loyola, in Margao. We did all those kind of drills, and it reminded me of my childhood days, and I was very happy to see that they were being done with certain modifications too, which is keeping in the spirit of keeping yourself fit.
To all the students who have participated in the various drills, I would congratulate you for your really wonderful performances. Also, what I liked was time management. There was a seamless transition from one drill to another without any wastage of time. This is something which we all need to learn. And even during our events, when we organize some events, I will see that we take a cue from what you have done further.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, मनीष परब आणि संगीता ओली।